Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Motors Certified Used Cars in Madison, Wisconsin. Hey, today I want to talk about a new program we're offering, or including, I should say, with every single used car. Makes no difference if it's a Jeep, Toyota, Honda, BMW, Lexus, makes no difference. But on every used vehicle beginning July 1st here in 2021, we're including our SmartCare maintenance plan. So here we go. This is an Acura 2-year 25,000 mile maintenance plan. So you're going to be covered, and we're going to take care of it right here at Smart Toyota. So you're going to get your oil changes, tire rotations, and roadside assistance with every used vehicle. So like I say, it matters not whether it's a Kia, a Nissan, makes no difference. Also, when you bring it into our service center to get your oil changed, we're also going to perform a multi-point inspection at no additional charge. So we're going to let you know what, if anything, your vehicle needs when you bring it in to get that complimentary oil change or tire rotation. Here's a Lexus right here. That includes the SmartCare maintenance plan. Now, the SmartCare maintenance plan is also, of course, available or part of the Toyota used vehicles as well. So it doesn't matter what make it is, what model it is. It doesn't even matter how many miles are on your certified or your used car. You could have 200,000 miles on it, and we're going to cover your oil changes and your tire rotations. And that maintenance plan is valid at any Toyota dealership nationwide that offers service on vehicles other than Toyotas. So that's not all Toyota dealers, but if they're like we are, Smart Toyota, we'll service a Honda, we'll service a Nissan, we'll service a Ford. We're not picky, we want to take care of our customers. So stop by Smart Toyota Certified Used Cars on Odana Road here in Madison, Wisconsin, and take advantage of our SmartCare maintenance program. This is Tony at Smart Motors Certified Used Cars. Thanks for watching.